So welcome back, and today we're doing our bees. The last time we weren't able to come here due to some situations which made it impossible for us to go out and and check our bees. So now we're gonna have to do a very thorough inspection, if you will. Ooh, looks like a bit more bees in the upper box than usual. And the board, the feeder board. Ooh. Are they doing anything here? No, looks like they still haven't built any comb. Well, that's a bit disappointing. But we got some of our own, which we scraped off last time. There's nothing on there. I'm gonna put some comb here. What do you say?
Yeah.
This chunk.
Yeah. Sure there's no comb?
I'm sure that there is no comb.
Okay. Let's do this at the end because it's just going to drop out.
Okay, maybe that's a better idea anyway.
Okay, crack it.
Okay. There. Come on, smoker. There. Take the smoker. I take the bees. Seems like we're having a bit of a difficulty with it. Getting it out. Yeah, that's better. Really drop it. Ooh, it's coming apart. God. Ooh. It seems like it's a bit of a challenge today to get anything out, and with these frames out, because they've propolized them so much. At this point, I'm gonna have to actually smoke it. Good.
I need more fuel.
There's the bag. Get the bag. Well, they're doing what they're usually doing, just building some more comb here. For today. Nothing unusual whatsoever. Finally, we got this one out here. Oh, this one is well, this one's kind of empty, I must say. Nothing really in it. Pretty light to just comb and stuff. Well, I guess I'm going to keep on moving. Seems a bit bigger, and it also is a bit broke. We'll just see in a second what I mean by being a bit broke. Well, looks like there's more food here. There is more eggs up in the corner as well, which is okay. There's more brood here, quite a bit more brood here. Just checking if the queen's here. I kind of don't see her. But there's eggs in the corners there. It's pretty good looking.
I'm going to take this frame and try to repair it.
Okay. Do that. This one's going in. Putting this one in because usually bees do not like it when there's less than, let's say 9 frames if you're like in a 10 box. Getting the smoker here going. These are kind of waking me up, I must say. You could call it. Here, calm down. That's fine. If you got an 8, and so essentially they like it if you've got 1 frame gone when you're doing it. If you got more frames sticking out, might be okay, but as they start getting more nervous, more nervous to take out, the more nervous they get. Sit a smoke far. Well, good looking here too. Looks like the queen has been up here recently as well. A lot of eggs in the middle. Brood. Oh my, there's a lot of brood over here. Yeah, do please.
Or should we put it in?
No, just leave it out, because I didn't have enough space. Anything. Looks like bees are coming out. A lot more brood here. Looking pretty good in general. Starting to hear them buzz and and make sounds. Yeah, they are.
I'm excited. It's okay.
For now, yes, it is okay. Yeah, we can get that off. Ooh, this one's a bit
Heavy.
There's more honey on it. Some capped honey. Looking pretty good. It's gonna be capped soon, I think. To me, it looks like we're gonna need to feed them this year. Because they got a bit too excited when they didn't need to be too excited with the honey. And I didn't have enough. We took some of it. Maybe there is more on the leaper box, but to me it looks like you might need to give them their patty and their stuff. On the card or something?
It's just propolis, I guess.
Oh.
The band.
Yeah, this one's empty. Queen might be coming over here soon. Put some eggs there. That seems pretty good. Reasonable to me. At least it's drawn comb. At the very worst, there wouldn't be nothing on it. So, that's my thought about this stuff. So, yeah, we haven't been here for like
2 weeks.
Yes, we have been here for 2 weeks, essentially, and they seem like they did absolutely what they should have done, really.
Making some comb.
Yeah, obviously the progress is kind of slow, in my opinion, but
A lot of rain.
Yes, we had a lot of rain. And bees, for some reason, they don't make comb on.
Well, they don't go out.
They don't go out. They don't make comb. I need to push this a bit more.
It's okay. Space there.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it so there's some more space in general on this side, because when it's kind of
like here's where we could use some space.
yeah.
These frames are empty, so here is there. Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm kind of getting it. Okay. There we go. Oh, these guys! There's a lot more of them. So, yep. Yeah, hide. You keep smoking, because this is a little bit more tricky over here. You know what I mean? They in general are going to be a little bit more aggressive in this box. What I've been accustomed to.
Your own?
Just here. Just moving all these frames over here. Yeah, smoke them over here. Yep. Good idea.
There you go. Lid as straight as possible so it doesn't fall apart. We got a clean cell here.
No, these are
Is it open?
empty ones.
Okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah. A lot of bees.
Smoke them harder. Okay, a lot more stuff going on here. This is good to see bee brood all over this frame. Taking it out and putting it here. They do not like this type of stuff, but that's kind of what we have to do.
Pull it out straight. Again. And again.
Make it smoker. You pull it out. Yeah, there's some eggs and stuff, and a lot of brood on the other side. This colony has a good start, good everything really. It's very strong, in my opinion. Broken frame. Nothing that we can do to fix it. This is... yeah, we really can't do much of anything to fix it. So bees... more brood on this end, cab brood, all of it is pretty much cab brood. So that's it. Yep. Holding it. Yep, that should be a little bit better. Okay, smoke. Yep, smoke. Alright. Everybody get over here. Yeah, there's a lot more brood. I can see a lot more brood coming. A lot more brood. Oh my. This is eggs, mostly completely eggs. This is brood. This is really good brood.
Oh yeah, perfect.
This is absolutely what we want.
See the queen.
I do not see the queen, but I sure know that she's here.
She's here.
Come on. There. There we go. More eggs. A lot more eggs. Honey. Cells. Bees. A lot more bees. A lot of everything really looking good. There's going to be a lot of brood coming out soon. A lot of brood coming out. Seems like a good thing to me, at least. At least we're going to be getting more bees. Although it is fall and
Not quite.
and it is starting to cool down a little bit, but having more bees is a good thing. Really, any time of the year. Same problem really with the frame. Also, one side broke. Looking pretty good over here. Looking pretty good over here too.
Apparently the honey must deteriorate these bands of heat. Not the honey, maybe.
Smoke it hard. Smoke it. Not my frame. You didn't smoke currently. What can I do? Give me.
Hang on.
Give me. You didn't smoke it. What you didn't shoot? This is wood. Come on, get moving. Go home.
Let's keep working here. We're almost there.
Now this is what I'm talking about. I just some light little puffs. Okay. More bee bread. More empty stuff. She's probably gonna lay her comb soon over here. Okay, I'm getting to the corner of this box.
What's happening on that one? Hang on. Stream falling out of it.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch the frame. Looks like this was a new frame which we put in. They're starting to kind of build on it. Nothing really much of anything going on.
This one alone. With this frame. Check this end one.
Use my thing. Yeah, bees are getting kind of active right now.
Just leave that one. Let's leave that
I'm
frame.
gonna pick it up.
It's gonna fall.
No.
Look at this. They just opened up a queen cell right away.
This is looking pretty good over here. Not much. Yeah, we're probably not touching that frame. Maybe.
No, leave it. Move this frame back in.
Okay, put a band. There are bees all over me. Yeah, more brood and stuff. Really kind of good looking stuff. If you ask me. Yep, that at least fixed it a little bit, closed it up a bit. Okay, here we go, back in. Then you start moving them to the side and need to put this one in. Using my stick. My magic little stick. Looks like the bees are all over the honey bowl which we put.
Oh, you can have it back.
They sure can. They're eating off the honey and stuff.
That was the end frame?
Yeah, that was the end frame.
Smoke it here so we can get them in there. Make it move a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay, should be able to get it in now.
Oh my. I do not know if you're seeing this, but the bees are literally walking. Yes, you can see it. Bees are walking.
Okay, they're mostly clear up. Smoke over here and I'll put the top on.
Yeah. We need to close this stuff up, you know.
Get in there, baby.
Yep. Can I do it?
There.
Yep. Yeah, more bees. So now we need to
put the wax here, right? Or up or in this.
Yeah, I think we're gonna put the wax.
I think here.
Okay.
These were up here.
They were.
still are up here. Yeah. Let's just take a frame out of here and drop it in there.
Yeah, I mean that they were here. Now, will you help me? She's a bit too thick. Here. I don't think that just putting it on one frame is a good idea.
We won't.
We go over here.
We'll move it where they need it though too. This piece is hard.
Okay, it isn't.
Let's take one over here.
Okay. Sounds good to me. Push the other ones down. Okay. Okay. Smoker, don't die on me. Reactivating smoker. Come on. Yep, leave the bowl up to them. Now where do we put this ball? Maybe in between.
Top is dead, choose whatever.
Yeah. For here.
Okay, we're good?
Yeah, I think that we're
Out of
good.
fuel?
No, I think that you didn't heat it up enough.
Yeah. Balls too. Just make it, just holding the top up.
Okay, they have the heat. They have the flame thing. The burner.
No.
Well, that's too bad. Because this stuff is...
It went out?
I already said it's not run out. It's just the fact that you have, you know, didn't heat it up enough. And you need to see a flame coming out of it, not just... Oh, and your weak little puffs are not very efficient of starting it. Full hand motions are more powerful.
I gotta be in my suit.
You see what I mean? Well, anyway, bye. You know, like, be well yourself. Just, you know, comment. comment what you think about this. Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, I'm just looking for the comb on the top.
Oh, yeah. That's what happens. Bye.